I just wanted to teach on this rule that I like to remember whenever I'm working with Blender, and that is the ERGS XYZ toolset, right? The ERGS XYZ rule. So what we're going to be doing, first off, even before we head into that, is going over to the outliner here, hiding the camera in rendered view and in the normal view like that, and also just hiding light. You don't even have to hide it in the rendered view because we're not really using it. We're not using a rendered view, so for now you can just leave it like that if you want. So I'm gonna hit tab. By the way, you can see all my key presses on the left here. So if you ever need anything, you can just go to that section. When I hit tab, it's gonna take me between object mode and edit mode, and that'll help me freely edit the object. Right, so ERGX XYZ, what does that mean? E means extrude, R means rotate, G means transform or move, and then S means scale. And XYZ means you can move any one of these any one of these operations on that certain coordinate. So let's say I want to move G on the Z axis. So that just lets me move it right up. Let's say I want to move this face out on the Y axis, like that. Lets me do that. So let's say this face right here, I want to rotate that on the Z-axis. So that lets me turn it around. And then let's say I want to move this face, I want to extrude this face here on the X-axis, followed by rotating this face on the Z-axis again. And that can be done with any of the four operations. So which is ERGS, extrude, rotate, transform, and scale. So scale, for example, let's say I want to work that on the Y-axis. There we go. I made that kind of glitch out into the other shapes now, but it works. Look at that. Looks garbage. Anyways, so that's ERGS XYZ. Any other tips that I would give for an absolute beginner starting out in Blender? If you hold Alt and scroll with the middle mouse wheel, just move, don't actually scroll. Just move the mouse. You can actually change between orthographic views. That's very helpful for anyone who doesn't have a numpad or doesn't like to use the numpad like me. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, yeah, don't forget the sub.